Hey James, how you doing? How's the kid? How's the dog? And how's the grass? All good and swell or whatever. I'm excited. I'm very excited. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm excited. I graduated from cosmetology school on time, bruh. On time, like perfect attendance or whatever. Okay? And I took my PSI, passed that, you know, whatever. And then I got a job. Yeah, I got a job, so I'm gonna be cutting hair. And I do feel like I have a lot of interest in hair. I mean hair, duh, and hair cutting. So this will be very fun. But I also freelance. What is freelance? Give me a second. According to Google, Oxford Dictionary, working from different companies at different times rather than being permanently employed by one company. That's what freelance means. Well, I'm not working for different companies. Okay. Whatever this website is. Essentially, a freelance job is one where a person works for themselves rather than a company, while freelancers do take on contract work for companies and organizations. They are ultimately self-employed. So I decided I am also gonna work doing cutting hair for, you know, this company, and also do my own thing on the side. Why not, right? But I want to be traveling the world. I want to travel to people. I want to travel to states. I want to travel to continents. All of that. And I need a suitcase. So this video, as you can tell, it's about what's in my freelance travel bag. Hair edition. Y'all know has to be in there. Anyways, so while I'm packing up my suitcase, I will tell you everything that I'm putting in and kind of why I'm putting them in. I made a list already and I checked it twice, and I'm gonna find out who's naughty or nice. But no, I really did check it twice. Yeah. So, ready? Okay, let's go. Okay, so this is, you see the box. It does come with this little makeup, because this is a makeup travel kit, because, you know, they don't care about us stylists. So it comes with this little belt. I mean, I don't know what I might be able to use this when I'm working, but I'm not too sure yet. So that's that. Okay, so first on the list we have, extension cord. I don't have one of those. So I do, but it's not the one that I want, honestly. So you need an extension cord. I have a cape. I have two capes. This is my washing cape. It's, you know, this is my washing cape that I, you know, I don't think that's how I'm supposed to fix it. And then I have my white one. This is the one when I'm doing when I'm doing a haircut, I kind of want to see better. I'm not even sure why it's dirty, but it's probably from color. I think these are gonna go here. I might change my mind. This is how I'm arranging my bag for the first time. This is basically an arrange with me, not even what's in my kit. You have cape, blow dryer, okay, so my school gave me the I think it's pronounced Babyliss Pro Nano Titanium flat iron. I said flat iron, blow dryer, and I really like it. It's like super lightweight. It came with a nozzle. One of my classmates gave me a comb, but it's broken, but we're gonna use it anyway until we can afford one. Yay! So what other things that are on the list are curling, flat iron, wands, hot combs, my styling tools, my hot tools. And I have so many, so it was really hard for me to narrow it down to what I have now. So I decided to make a purchase and get one of those 7 wand things, I don't know, one of those changing head type curling wands. I think it was a really good investment it's a really good investment. So I have, this is the wand base, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 heads for different type of stylings that you may or may not want. Styling tools, baby. Oh my gosh. This is really hard, okay? Really hard. It's really hard trying to decide where to put all these tools, I'm telling you. I didn't sign up for this. On the contrary, I did. Okay, we're gonna put these in last, okay? That's what we're gonna do. Okay, so yeah, this flat iron is at this moment my favorite. It's my ion. I got it in a kit. It was a, what was it? A holiday. It was a Black Friday kit, and it came with this flat iron. It came with a paddle brush. There's a purple paddle brush. It came with some alligator clips. Oh, I have them. Look. It came with these bad boys. Anyways, I'm gonna need those two later on. And it came with this amazing heat protectant that I don't have anymore because I used it all. Alright, so also I need my gloves for my heating protectant tools when I'm using, especially the rods. They're called rods, the wands, because they don't have anything for you to hold on to, you know what I mean? So you don't forget those. Alright, so shampoo and conditioner, because I am doing natural hair and I wanted to get as clean as possible. I know people have their own products they want to use, but if they don't mind using mine, because I know it's gonna get the job done, then we're gonna use mine. Along with my shampoo and conditioner, I will have plastic caps, but I'm probably gonna put them someplace else. So I kind of got lazy telling you guys one by one what's in it. How about we're just gonna put this in a fast motion and you'll watch what I do, and I'll kind of, you know, just let y'all know what's in there. All right? Please don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below, let you know how you feel, and I will see you next time, my gems. Bye.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. It's some booze fueled teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them. Hold the drinks out one and help the one who's gone. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Let's get girly. Girly. Let's get girly. Girly. With a hangover till 10 p.m. I'll say I'll never go again. Tut-tut, no